What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are so really enjoying our time in Maryland. It's been really cool to take our kids to some of our favorite spots that we grew up, hiking or biking trails or just really spending time outside, and now we get to do it with our kids, which is really cool.
Yeah, because when we hit the road, Cade was still pretty young, so he doesn't remember a ton from our time in Maryland when he was little, so it's cool to show them the places that are near and dear to us.
Yeah, and of course we've been having fun griddling for you, and I've been wanting to make this meal for so long now, but the tricky part is I can't always find one main ingredient. So today I found them, and I'm going to be griddling for you a garlic butter lollipop lamb chop with some jalapeno rice.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get them prepared, I've had them sitting out at room temperature for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna take them out and we are going to dry them with a paper towel. To season our lamb chops, I'm going to be using salt and pepper. Now that our lamb chops are seasoned, I am going to stack them up so we can get them on the griddle with the fat side down so we can render the fat, and then we will sear our lamb chops. I did set the griddle to a medium-high heat. While we're letting that fat render for a few moments, I'm going to get our garlic butter started. I'm gonna put down about 2 tablespoons of butter, some garlic, freshly chopped garlic, and thyme. We are gonna let that melt down. All right, I'm going to just move our stack to the side for a little bit, get some butter down. Okay, I'm going to give our butter a nice stir here. All right, I'm going to check these out. I think they are ready to be flipped over. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to take our garlic butter and baste the top of our lamb chops. Our lamb chops are looking tasty. I'm gonna get our rice going. So like I mentioned, I'm going to make a jalapeno rice. I'm going to flip our lamb chops back over, baste the other side, and let these finish off nicely. Time to pull our lamb chops off the griddle. We are going to set these aside, let all those nice juices and flavors settle in. All right, so I've got our rice going here. I'm gonna mix in our butter, our garlic, everything on the griddle. Get some of that flavor from the lamb chops in there. It's gonna be like a dirty jalapeno rice. Speaking of that, I'm gonna add in our jalapenos. Rice doesn't take too long. We'll plate this up.
Are you gonna do them up fancy like they do in the restaurants?
That's right. That's exactly what I had in mind.
A little lamb chop tripod.
Here we go. Let's see if I can build this.
Fancy, fancy.
I feel like we've kind of been on a gourmet roll lately, where a lot of our meals look very...
We've been inspired by Nate. We're just trying to elevate things a little bit. I'm not upset about it because it's fantastic. So
looks awesome, smells great.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
It's been a while since I've had lamb, but it is so good.
It's so tender.
It's so good. And that rice is good too.
It's really, I feel a little bit of heat actually.
Little heat from the jalapeno.
That might have been a nicer jalapeno than I thought. Oh my goodness, that's so good, and it was easy to cook. Yeah. I mean, it went really fast.
Salt and pepper, the butter and the garlic just bring all those
that
flavors
thyme,
together.
even that flavor.
Oh my goodness.
And then I think the best part was adding it to the rice. Right? Like,
yeah, adds a little texture.
Yep, more flavor.
Nice work.
Thank you, thank you.
Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like CJ, Nate, Todd, Taylor, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.